Good morning, friends. How to account Airbnb rental income in income tax returns in India by Rajendran Sivaramapillai, formerly advisor banking, now Airbnb host. Disclaimer: I am neither an expert on income tax nor authorized by IT department. This is based on personal experience through e-portal without outside assistance by profession. Many of us accepted to rent a portion or even full house for short or long duration rent in collaboration with Airbnb. The rental income paid to us after deducting a small portion as TDS is paid to us and also submitted to income tax by Airbnb captured in 26 AS as well as AIS. So individuals before submitting tax return before 31st July 2020 should follow these steps. GST. For many of us with annual rental income less than 20 lakhs, Airbnb collects GST, which is indicated as occupancy tax from the guest directly at the time of booking itself and remits the same to the GST authority. We need not worry about this. Host with GST registration, it is remitted to them to enable to submit total collections. Now, there are three categories of hosts. One, with or without salaried income or pension and Airbnb rental. Number two, with or without salaried income or pension but business and professional income and Airbnb rental income treated as business income. Number three, only business income. This income tax return is submitted for the financial year ending March 31st, 2021. Rental income and salary earned for the period 1st April 2023 to 31st March 24 is called as financial year 23-24. Since the income tax return is submitted after 1st April 2024 for the period 1/4/2023 to 31/3/24, the concerned income is assessed in assessment year 2024-25. For income tax payees, financial year 23-24 and assessment year 24-25. Two types of tax system. During the current year, there are two tax systems available. One is the new tax regime. Number two, old tax regime. New tax regime. In the e-portal, it is given as a default option and total income from all sources like salary income, interest on bank deposits, interest on SB accounts, previous year refund interest, dividend income or any other sources up to rupees 7 lakhs is exempted and no deductions allowed. In the old tax system, if one has good contributions under 80C like Public Provident Fund, National Savings Certificate, insurance premium, expenses incurred in health, pensions scheme up to 1,50,000 or interest on educational loans or housing loans, it is better to submit under old systems if income is less than 7 lakhs. Old regime. We have to submit our application under section 10 IEA for the exemption under old regime. With the date and acknowledgement number, one can submit ITR 4 if rental income is considered as business income. For ITR 1, it is as below. The rental income is accounted under income from house property either rented or deemed to be given for rent. Total income as rent rupees 56,000 less property tax paid rupees 2,500 less maintenance allowed 30%, it is 160. Income from house property, it is considered as rupees 37,450. In the new tax regime also, it is taken as above. Airbnb income considered as business income. When Airbnb rental is considered as business income, the total income received during the financial year is considered as annual business turnover, and considering capital cost, recurring expenditures for cleaning and additional amenities for guests. If payment is received through banking channel, only 6% is considered as taxable income. But individuals can declare more also. If received as cash as declared by you, then 8% is considered as taxable income. For this, if the total turnover is less than 50 lakhs during the financial year, no auditing or maintenance of books of accounts is insisted. But if audit report is submitted, it is based on actual expenses even if it is less than 6%. Airbnb income as business income, old regime. We have to first submit our application under section 10 IEA for the exemption under old regime. Simple steps in e-portal. With the date and acknowledgement number, one can submit ITR 4. The total rental income is accounted under total income from house is treated as business income under section 44 AD. As I said earlier, no audit report is required if the annual turnover is less than 50 lakhs and no books of accounts need to be maintained. Received through bank account is rupees 56,000. 6% is taken as taxable income, that is rupees 3,360, or as declared more as you desire. Received as cash from others, rupees 20,000 means 8% is taken as taxable income, that is rupees 1,600, or you can declare more as you deserve. Last date for submission of IT return for financial year 2023-24 and assessment year 2024-25 without penalty is 31st July 2024. Even though some may earn less than exemption limit of rupees 2.5 lakhs or according to age 3 lakhs or 5 lakhs, yet many are not aware of TDS deducted on Airbnb income or bank SB or deposits, and for refund we have to submit ITR returns, and it is very simple and easy through Final word of caution. Even including Airbnb rental income, even if your total taxable income is less than the basic exemption, say 2.5 lakhs or 3 lakhs or 5 lakhs as the case may be, it is absolutely essential Airbnb host in India has to submit income tax return as the case may be, as whatever little amount is received as rental income, it is captured in 26 AS and AIS, and notice will be issued for non-submission of ITR portal. In case of any doubts, feel free to write to me or talk to me in Airbnb hosts WhatsApp or Facebook. Thank you very much. This is Rajendran Sivaramapalli.